Hello viewers, welcome to our tutorial on ArcGIS Pro on Topographic Wetness Index Bonny Land in Port Harcourt. So taking you step by step on how to produce a topographic wetness index map. All what you need is your DEM, digital elevation model. So that will be the, and then you need your shapefile of your study area. So we have added our DEM so far. So let's fill our DEM. We are running analysis on field geoprocessing tools. You can as well go to your parameter under environment data management. You can see your field there. So having done this, let's calculate for flow direction. Using the flow direction, okay, let's check for flow accumulation. I'll leave others at default. So let's check for slope. You can choose to change the color of your choice. So now let's go for algebra. Raster Calculator under algebra, math algebra expression. So you click on Raster Calculator. So let's calculate for a radian, slope radian. So you open your parentheses, then click on your slope field. .14159, right, 180. So the next step, you are going to calculate for, so that's for slope radian. Let's go for condition. Now you are going to calculate for down slope. So you use conditions. Ensure that you put all your parameters correctly to avoid error. So radial slope, condition radial slope, that's 0 down. Upper slope 0. Let's look for L alien. Make sure that all the conditions and the calculations are in place. And you go to your flow accumulations. We are looking for the cell, flow accumulation cell. Let's check out raster information. Okay, you can see your cell size of X. So now you are going to copy this our cell size of X and use it for calculating the cell size of flow accumulation. Please do subscribe to this channel, like and share, and stay tuned for other videos. So let's go back to our processing. So now you are going to paste our flow accumulation cells size. So let's rename So let's call it upslope. Then repaste it again. Let's repaste it again. This sets out our flow accumulation. Okay, having done that, let's calculate for LN. Then we give it a name, Topographic Wetness Index. The other upslope divided by downslope. So you are going to classify the TWI now. Scan to property, symbologies, please do to subscribe to my channel, like and share, and stay tuned for other videos. Classify. So let's make it 8 class. So at this point, let's carry out the layer system. Subscribe to my channel. So these are the output of everything. This is the outline of it, layer system of GeoMap. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next tutorial. Subscribe, share.